Okay, YouTube, I'm going to show you how to pull off the buy one get one free technique. Now let's say you only got 75 cents. Now you thinking, man, I'm really thirsty. I can't afford $1.25 for one of these big drinks. And one of these cans ain't going to be enough. Man, what to do? I'm going to show you what to do. So, okay. No money, no coins, no sodas. Put your 75 cents into the thing. 1, 2, and 3. Pick one you want. Let's see. E7. Okay. E7. Hurry, and this is what you do. It's gonna go down. It's gonna go up twice. Okay. Money comes back out. Else. Now you see, it's already stuck down there. Okay, what you want to do is block that door right there. See that door? Okay, that's your soda. Put your hands in here, and you block that door right there. Okay. So now. Pick another soda. E4. 1, 2, 3. $0.10. Buy one, get one free.